Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Casey Cameron. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I'd like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2012 Audi Q5 3.2 liter Premium Plus. It has a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with auto-dimming power heated side mirrors with LED signals, a roof rack, privacy glass, and much more. From exciting performance to excellent comfort and convenience, this crossover has broad appeal. This Audi has 19-inch 5-arm structure design, alloy wheels, and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Audi is in great condition. It has very clear Audi Automatic Xenon Plus headlamps along with fog lights, LED daytime running lights, heated wiper washers, and a really nice chrome accented grille to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder, 3.2 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Audi has Quattro all-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 20 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Audi has only 82,098 miles on it. At the back of the Audi, you can see the antenna, the rear spoiler, and the rear wiper, along with the dual exhaust, large LED brake lights, and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the power liftgate for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a cargo cover, tie-down hooks, a cargo net, a power outlet, and cargo lights for unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Audi has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders and the power outlet, as well as the back seat pockets. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice walnut wood and aluminum accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable heated leather seating with memory. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Audi is also equipped with an alarm system, a garage door opener, and a push button start. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the power liftgate, the driver's seat memory, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with pinch protection and express up and down. This Audi has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now, here's a feature everyone can enjoy: the Panoramic sunroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 10 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the aux port. You also have tri-zone automatic climate controls, and everything is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.